Well, hello there, it's Graeme from Ardnamurchan, and today I'm going to show you how to use our AD core to make a shaken drink, and it's called the Amber Rush. So, to make our Amber Rush, first of all, we need the aforementioned AD Single Malt, 50-50 peated and unpeated, very versatile, and we're going to go for 50 mils in here. Pour that over ice into your cocktail tin. Then we need some lemon juice, freshly squeezed lemon from my friends at the gate here. We're going for 20 mils. And then we've got some honey syrup, just honey diluted down with some water, 20 mils again. Okay, time to shake. Once you've got that nice and cold, get your glass. We've got a nice block of ice in there as well, and we want to double strain, catch any little bits of ice. And we're just going to finish this off with a wee lemon twist. Get some of those lemon oils on there too. In she goes. And there we have our Amber Rush. Today I'm going to show you how to make an orchard highball using our Macleans Nose blended scotch. Okay, so let's make our highball. First of all, the aforementioned highball glass. Let's get it filled up with some ice. And we need some whiskey, of course. So we're going to use our Macleans Nose. A nice healthy double measure here. 50 mils in the glass. And then we want to add a little bit of fruitiness here. So I've chosen a French liqueur, Calvados-based liqueur, called Verger. 20 mils in there as well. We'll give that a little mix up just to make sure that it's all in there. And then for the soda, we're using Fevertree Mexican lime soda. It's got a little bit of yuzu in there as well. And we'll just top that right up. Keep it going. And we're just going to garnish it with a nice big mint sprig. Give it a wee slap, wake it up a little bit, and in she goes. And there is your orchard highball. I'm going to show you how to make a reverse Rob Roy with our cask strength. So the first thing we want to do is grab our cask strength Ardnamurchan, and with the reverse Rob Roy we're swapping the ratio a little bit. So we want just 25 mils of the whiskey, and then we want our sweet vermouth. So in this case we're doubling up the ratio, so we're going for nearly 50 mils of sweet vermouth in there, and then a couple of dashes of Regan's orange bitters, and then we want to stir it down. So why have I chosen a reverse Rob Roy? Well, basically the extra vermouth will balance out the cask strength nature of the alcohol. Okay, so time to put this in our glass. Lovely oily texture, nice and cold, a little bit of peat in there as well in the background. And to finish, just a delicious maraschino cherry. Don't worry if a bit of syrup gets in there, we'll keep it classy with one. And that is the reverse Rob Roy. I hope you enjoy.